started to find broken lab equipment sitting around our labs, and I was like, hey, I wonder what's inside. What does this look like?
I'm surprised that purple's hard to come by with all of us maker people always using Osh Park for things. Do we just not give up our circuit boards very easily?
When you walked into the store, I had it organized to not scare away non-scientists.
Talk to me about the handmade aspect and also what your definition of handmade is.
I designed this card set, for example. It has 8 greeting cards with quotes from women in STEM. I want to help normalize diversity in STEM. I think it's incredibly important.
What we here strive to do with the circuit board designs is make them fun or funny or cute or something. Through them being relatable in that way, then use them to teach soldering or teach Arduino coding.
I didn't go to college thinking I'd get a PhD. I didn't even know what it was or why you would even want one. It wasn't part of my plan.